My name is Robert Kamson. I'm from Manipur. I have successfully completed my graphics designing course from TGC. Zaki sir was my tutor. He was very kind, creative, and professional. It was indeed an opportunity for me to be a part of TGC. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the institute, the dedicated faculty members, and the fellow graduates for their encouragement. TCC has begun a beacon of innovation, creativity in the field of graphics designing. So if any one of you looking for a career to excel in the field of graphics designing, I recommend TCC to choose as your destination. Thank you.